Good morning students, class 5. I am Vijay Kumar Jha. Today I am going to teach your English literature lesson 2. This is poem. Topic is the plant of the camel, and this one is the part second. Previous part I had stated about some paragraphs of this poem. This time I hope you have opened your book before you to go through the lines and the words of the poem. Here, this time take care about the paragraph. People would laugh if you rode a giraffe or mounted the back of an ox. It is nobody's habit to ride on a rabbit or try to bestraddle a fox, but as for a camel, he is ridden by families, and load does not for me. Any load does not for me. Now take care here. Poet wants to express the suffering of the camel in this paragraph, that people will not like to ride on a giraffe. If anyone would ride a giraffe, people would laugh on him. Or mounted the back of an ox, means if anyone looks a person rode on an ox, people would laugh. Means ox cannot be used like camel. It is nobody's habit to ride on a rabbit. Means neither people can ride a rabbit, nor an ox, nor on a giraffe, or try to bestraddle a fox. People cannot try to sit on the back of a fox also. All these animals, means fox, rabbit, ox, giraffe, cannot be ridden by anyone, and if someone does this, people would laugh on him. But as for a camel, he is ridden by families, means among them the camel is such an animal on which all the members of the family ride together. Any load does for me, means there is no care about the load that the people do for the camel. Means load does not matter for a camel. Now, in the last para of the poem, Charles Edward Carroll tells us, a snake is as round as a hole in the ground. Means living place of a snake is a hole, and the snake makes himself able to go through the hole in the ground. And weasels are wavy and sleek. Weasels, small, with fur, short legs and long tails. You must have seen in the forest such type of animal. Weasels are wavy and sleek. Sleek means here smooth and shiny. Means weasel is very sleek and wavy animal, and no alligator could ever be straighter than lizard that lives in a creek. And now take care here, lizard lives in a creek, means a small narrow river, and no alligator could ever be straighter, means alligator is the animal who lives in water. Water animals are alligator and lizard. But a camel is all lumpy and bumpy and humpy. Hump means na, the raised portion on the back of the camel is known as hump. That's why camel is humpy. It cannot get a suitable place like other animal because of the curved structure of its body. Because camel is humpy, bumpy and lumpy also. But a snake can make its body as round as a hole in the ground. Weasels are wavy and sleek. It can also turn its body according to its need. Like that, alligator and lizard also. But a camel's body is very weightful, very big and very humpy. That's why it cannot fit like other animals. And any shape does for me means shape of a camel is also not cared by anyone because it is all humpy, bumpy and lumpy. So the poet wants to represent the camel that people are very careless and cruel for the camel because people don't care about its food, habitat and its shape also and its work also. Like unmerciful people use camel, so the camel complains us through this poem that people should take proper attention for him also, and that has been represented by the poet Charles Edward Carryl. Dear students, in this way your poem has been completed. Further, I would like to give you question answer also of this chapter. This time take care the poem and I hope you will understand it. You have understood it well. Thank you.